All right, guys, we are about to button up this SR20 engine, so I wanted to take this moment to show you a new product we just made. Basically, it's just a set of bolts, like a few pieces of hardware that you can't get anymore for these Nissan SR20 engines, but it's some pretty important stuff, so I finally took the time and put a kit together so that we could sell it. All right, well, let's talk about what the hardware is actually for before we install it. When you're installing an SR20 cylinder head, it doesn't matter if it's an S14 or an S13, it's gonna be the same kit either way. There are obviously the head studs or head bolts that go in, and then there's 4 bolts that you cannot purchase anymore from Nissan. And I call them pinch bolts, but they're basically bolts that hold the exhaust side to the block, and then there's bolts that hold the front of the cylinder head to the timing cover. I guess let's take a look at the hardware first, because I spent a decent amount of time trying to make sure we got hardware that looked almost exactly like the OEM stuff. These two are for the front of the cylinder head, and this is an OEM one. So it looks almost identical. A lot of you guys won't care about that shit, but we do. So we tried to make it as close as we could. The washers are a little different, but it does have a lock washer on it, and it does have a regular flat washer. So. And the rear bolts, I'm pretty sure looks exactly like that as well. I don't have any offhand, but. All right, I'm just gonna install this so you guys can see where the bolts go exactly. But actually, let me show you on the S14 head we have over here first. The shortest one goes up front on that piece. The longer one, or middle-sized one, goes in the back. And then these 2 long ones are gonna go in the front. They're gonna hold the front timing cover to the cylinder head. So now let's take these out and actually install them. Because if you're missing these bolts and you're going to put your engine together, this is going to stop you, because you really can't, you could put the cams in, but it's going to be a pain in the ass to get the bolts down there. But it's just, you can't put the valve cover on, you can't do anything until you have these bolts. So, all right, let me get a wrench and we'll start installing these. Yeah, that's definitely tight. That's one. I'm probably just gonna put one on for this one, because I have another one holding it down. These bolts are a pain in the ass when you can't find them. Trust me, because I just went through it. So yeah, hopefully this kit helps you out. It's super cheap on the website, so just throw it in when you're getting head studs or something else, and you can save on shipping when you're shipping it with a bunch of other stuff. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting us. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and come back for more SR20 videos in the future.